Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 30 of our 100-day price action challenge. You know that today the market was very volatile. It was going down, it was going up. Let's see what happened today. If you look at the Nifty, looks like it is very flat, right? But it isn't the picture. Look at the Nifty Junior. It was down almost 1.6%, but during the last hour, it has recovered. Coming to the Nifty 100 too, looks like it is very flat, but there was a very volatile session today. The mid caps were down almost 2.5%, but looks like there have been a quick recovery, especially during the last hours. As you can see, this was the crucial support zones, right? Looks like there has been some form of buying happened in the last hour. Even the small caps as well as the micro caps were sliding down. Overall, today it was a very choppy day, not a very good day to trade, I guess. I've stayed away from the market and look at total market index too. It is also again half the way chopped up, right? Even the look. Let's go with the sectoral indices. Bank Nifty same action. See here, it has in fact broken this crucial support, this 49,650 level. At one point, it might looked like it is going down, but looks like again there was a quick recovery. The same story happened in all the stocks. In fact, the IT has a very sharp recovery. It was down almost 1% today as well, but it ended up closing up 0.6%. Even the auto stocks are doing the same behavior. Look at reality chart too. I mean, I'm zooming the chart. You are seeing a very big spike here, right? This is a wick of the candle, which means that lot of indecisiveness. Finally, the pharma is getting weaker and weaker. It is down 1% today. Infra is also down. FMCG again very sharp recovery, just like IT. It was also down at one point, but again there was a strong buying support happened. It's a good thing, but again the market have become very volatile. Even the healthcare index is also down 1%. Now let's look at the daily stocks. In fact, I think Reliance is the very strong performer today. It was up 2%. Probably it's the reason the market isn't, I mean, the Nifty 50 hasn't fallen much, right? Whereas the other stocks were down. Look at Reliance, it is up 2%, probably looking for a reversal. And look at TCS. Yesterday it was down 2%. Today it is up 2%. And we are having result tomorrow. So we might see that mm, there could be anything happen tomorrow as well. Even the HDFC Bank is down today. It is lately the HDFC Bank has become very weak. Look at here. From this point, it is down almost 4.5%. Bharti Airtel still trading sideways. ICICI Bank is also getting weaker. Overall, the banking sentiment doesn't look much great, right? Infosys again, the result is due in 8 days, so we will be waiting for the results. You can see again a very sharp bounce in the Infosys stock too. State Bank of India again, it is going down. As I've told you, it has literally tested this low. I mean, you can draw this line. This is the crucial support. You can see here, right? If it breaks this 760, in fact, this 750 level, if this breaks this zone, we might see another correction in State Bank of India. ITC is up 2% today. Looks like it is again FMCG stocks are showing different behavior. Maybe they have bottomed out or not. Few days we will be finding out. LIC is still getting weaker. See, it has made another new low today. HCL Tech nothing did much today here. L&T same story. It has become very choppy, going up and down. It is trading between this 3700 and 3500 range. Very sharp moves up and down. Sun Pharma is down today. Finally, it has given up, I guess. Again, this would be the crucial support. Bajaj Finance is also, see, the last 2 days were very highly indecisive candles here. NTPC is still weaker. It is going down, I guess. This is in a long term downtrend. It is going down each day. Axis Bank again, nothing major happened today. Just it is trading in this zone itself. Maruti is nicely setting up. Looks like it is consolidating here. Maybe a little consolidation and a breakout or a little break from this mini consolidation would be another good entry point. Kotak Mahindra not looking great. See, the private banks are not at all doing well. In fact, let's ignore the private bank charts for a few days. Mahindra and Mahindra again going sideways as of now. Let's look at ONGC. Looks like there was a very strong buying in ONGC from the last 4 days. Initially, I thought it was a short covering. Looks like first it has broken this level. Now it has tested this 270 level. Let's wait and watch how this goes. Like Tata Motors too, not looking very great as of now. We need this level to be taken out. This 820 level. Only then we can. Uh, think of something happening in the chart. Again, Ultratech Cement looking very weak here. Adani Enterprises not great. Power Grid also, see, it is just going sideways. Titan, see, very large candle. In fact, it was down almost 4% at one point of time and it has quickly recovered. See, that's what I'm talking about. The volatility was very high. Even yesterday, it has went all the way up here. From this point, it was down 5%, but again, it has closed here. That's what I'm talking about. The volatility has increased in the market. Looks like the Bajaj Auto has finally given up. Probably it is heading lower. Let me just change the layout here so that we can discuss it in much more detail. Now let's talk about Adani Ports. Again, Adani Ports is also becoming weaker, right? Coal India still no major improvement here. It is still going sideways and slowly heading down. Asian Paints again up 2% today on such a weak day. A decent sign. Let's wait for a few days and see how it happens. Wipro again had a pullback. See here, it's what I'm talking about. This 50 ml line is acting very crucial for Wipro. In fact, the almost from here you can see that every time it comes here, it is pushing back here. Probably this time too it is happening. Maybe after the results, the IT stocks would take a direction either to go up or to go down. HAL not interesting. It is still becoming tightly consolidating here. If it breaks this level, I guess we are down another. We can just draw a line for reference here. Last time it happened here, it had a shakeout and quickly moved up, but got rejected here. Bajaj Finserv nicely setting up. It is going sideways as of now. It is still respecting this big day. I'm little bit surprised that even this used to be one of the weaker names. Now it's acting a little bit different. So let's watch it closely. DMart to again it went below, but again the closing is good. Whenever it is trying to close this gap, it has successfully closed above the gap today, which is a good sign. Let's wait for a few days and see. Trent again, you know that this was where it has happened a false kind of breakout, and currently it is moving down. Adani Green, nothing major here. You can see this would be the resistance. Would it get it got rejected here again as closed at this level, maybe heading down. Siemens, in fact, have taken a short position entry here. It was a perfect breakdown, right? I am talking about this trade from a very long time. This has been consolidating within this range, and look at the today's volume. The volumes were higher than usual, and the stock is down 2.5% almost. So maybe tomorrow or next few days we might see a little pullback, and if it gets rejected here again and comes back, then that would be a very good short position for Simons. JSW still going sideways, nothing interesting here. Adani Power also not looking very good, going sideways here. Zomato looks like it has hit. I've told you, right? It has reached almost 244 today. We have talked in our previous video, right? If it breaks 270 level, we might see a correction of 10%, and it has almost. It was down 9.5%. Later, the closing was decent. So again, I made some decent money on Zomato too. So if you have made, please put it in the comment section. I hope that you are trying to understand. The main goal here is to understand the price behind the chart, right? Nestle going sideways, nothing major here. IOC also not looking. It is very dull. It is not at all participating. Bharat Electronics again becoming weaker, slowly going downwards, right? Again, but we have this major 265 support. Only then we can think of something. Looks like Varun Beverages is on the selling streak. You can see here, right? Right from here, it is down almost 9%. But this is always again one of the most choppy names you are seeing right from February, right? It has been trading within this range as well. Geofinance again sliding lower and lower. You can see here, right? This was the previous low. Now this used to be previous low, this used to be previous low, and it has made another new lows. Slowly the lower lows are coming on the chart. DLF again, nothing, no strength here actually. It is going down. I thought this was a nice consolidation, but looks like it is breaking down. Tata Steel, again, a good follow up day after this strong selling. It is going down. Again, if it goes below this, then probably another short opportunity. Vedanta is just hanging here. We have seen if it breaks this 440 or especially this 430 level, then we might see another free fall in Vedanta. Grasim also looks weaker. It is slowly heading down, right? The cement stocks are not doing well. IRFCC, another weak chart here. Nothing major happening. It has been post budget. It didn't do anything. The railway stocks has lost their charm. LTM, a sharp reversal here. Today we are seeing a very sharp reversal here. Let's see how this turns out to be. Again, all the IT names has seen some form of buzz, especially in the last few hours. So whether it will continue or not, we will check it tomorrow. Indigo too again becoming weaker, tested this level low again multiple times. Maybe a little tightness, and if it falls below this level, again it might test somewhere around this 3800. Tech Mahindra too, in fact, it was down almost, it has touched this support point here. You can see, right? Just by looking the charts, you can find the reference levels. Based on that, you can do your trading or investing here. SBI Life nicely inching up. Today was a little pullback here. Pidilite going sideways, nothing interesting here. ABB again, see, it is interesting on ABB. It is just like all the power stocks or electric names were hanging around their support levels. Let's wait and see. It would be interesting. Divi's Lab currently in sideways. Maybe again it would come here and bounce back. So very choppy. It is going in the sideways as of now. HDFC Life, nothing major happened today. Hindalco trying to move up. It is still, it couldn't. Look at here. This was the major selling day, right? Even the last 2 days, it couldn't reach its previous high. That's the usual weakness in the chart. PFC again tested a low today, probably made another low today. We can draw a little line here from the most recent support points. Whenever it reaches this 430 level, it has taken support. Britannia is in currently sideways, a major overhead supply looking here. Ambuja Cement, nothing interesting happening here. GAIL too, it is very choppy name, but again, slowly inching down. Tata Power, see, very weak name. Again, it was down almost 5% on this day, right? Again, today it was down another. From this point, when it has broken this crucial support. So, look at Siemens too. It has broken something similar. So, that's why I've told you. Maybe Siemens would try to test here and it would come back here again. They might see a correction. Or sometimes, if the strength is very low, the stocks directly gives up and falls directly. REC same chart as PFC, nothing to talk here. See, almost similar. We can draw a line. For it, it was for PFC it was 430. For this, it looks like 490 level. Motherson Sumi again, it is inching slowly downwards. Very weak. Nothing major action happening here. BPCL still hanging at the support levels. Godrej Consumer Products, nothing interesting until this window or this gap, red gap is there, right? Unless it fills this gap, then we can talk about it. Till then, it would be wait and watch mode for it. iCharts motor slowly sliding, inching down. Probably it might come to this level and again bounce back. Let's wait and watch. Bank of Baroda to try to go lower today and try to move up today, but very indecisiveness here. Cipla, nothing interesting here. JSWC, very strong downtrend here. Same story, right? It has broken down, quickly bounced back, and again from this point, it was down almost 16%. That was very huge selling, in fact. JSW Energy, again, another electric utility. See, all the electric utility stocks are acting weaker. TVS Motor has tested this low, maybe a little consolidation or a bounce here. Then I think that this is going to down. I mean, it's been a long time. TVS Motor is heading down. Torrent Pharma, well, this is a strange. In fact, today the pharma index was down 1%, right? And this did not even break out and it's currently giving up. It is slowly moving down. So that would be interesting to watch, I think. I thought this used to be a stronger name, but today it seems like there is a change in character in Torrent Pharma. Shriram Finance, same story, going down. Probably the split is pending on Friday, so there would be a split happening there. Cholamandalam, nothing interesting here. Bajaj Holding, it tried to move up today. See the weakness in the chart, you can clearly see here, right? It tried to move up, but again, the sellers bought back. That's the weakness. Adani Energy Solutions, nothing interesting. This would be the support. If it breaks down, it might go again lower. Punjab National Bank, nothing interesting here. Dr. Reddy, see, that's what the weak market I'm talking about. All the stocks which are trying to break out, the closing isn't very great here. You can see that the closing is almost at the opening. That's the weakness in the market. United Spirits, I think we have to exit this name right now. Today, all the alcohol names are not acting well. So, this would be marking as exit. If you have entered here, you did not made any money, probably a little 1%. If you have entered here, a little loss. So, very huge volume, almost 1.4 million shares. So, not looking good. See, the market atmosphere is not at all looking favorable. So, if you are trading, please stay away from it. Lola, nothing interesting here. iPro to same old consolidation sideways, no trend. Havels tried to go down, but again closing. See, I've put this alert. If it goes below this level, we might see another correction in Havels. Bosch again tried to close above this, but again there are many supports. I would call this 30,100 would be the crucial support because this was the past low. Oh, Apollo Hospitals. Look at it. I have been warning about Apollo Hospitals. This is that one guy in our friend group who we never understand. I mean, it was down one day, it was up one day, it was indecisive the other day, and today, major reversal. Down almost 4% today. See, that's why I've told you. So, even let's delete this. We don't even want to. So, if you want to draw a line, see, this would be the perfect line. See. Always. Apollo is a very choppy name. I don't understand Apollo. You can see here, right? Zaidu's life again, sharp reversal. See, I don't like these days. One day it is going up, one day it is going down. That's the volatility I'm talking about in the market. Hero Motocup still, at least this is not volatility. Straight away heading down, and heading down. Look at Naukri, down another 2.3% despite other IT names were acting well. Maybe it's the impact of Zomato, it's the impact of Policy Bazaar, or it's the usual inherent weakness happening in the stock. Tata Consumer, again, just like Godrej Consumer Product, it is heading for trying for a reversal. Let's draw this line here. Let's see if it breaks this level or not. Dabur, nothing interesting here, still going on sideways. ICICI General number, nothing great here. Yesterday was a good day. Let's see whether it follows or not. We can again extend this line. This would be the level we should be watching for. Jindal Steel, see, it looks like it is tightening up, but again, there's no trend in this name. Free Cement, same story, very choppy, nothing interesting here. Canara Bank still acting weaker. Union Bank still much weaker than all the PSU banks. IndusInd nothing interesting here too. Adani Total Gas going down. NHPC still going down. This would be the crucial support zone because from a very long time this has been acting as support level. So let's draw this line. It would be interesting to watch. If NHPC breaks this 77-75 zone, let me put an alert here. If it goes below this level, probably we can make a good shot, right? Because the entire theme, this electric utilities is looking weaker. BHEL is also same kind of story, not looking very strong here. This would be the strong support if it breaks this 215 216 level. Probably the last time it had made a quick pullback. Again, I'm adding an alert here. If it breaks below this level, probably it's interesting. We have already I've initiated a short here. It is down already 12%. Looks like the entire structure is going to break. IRCTC, nothing interesting here too. So that's it for today. I think the market is very choppy. Try to stay away from the market. It is one of the most volatile times, and let's wait. Once the volatility settles down, then we can think of initiating any new position. So, thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope that you liked it. See you tomorrow.